string, the collection of characters are called a string. Strings are three types. First one is string. Characters. Okay, now the string is a collection of characters are called string. The strings are three types: string and string buffer and string builder. And the last one is strings of characters. First one I will discuss it string. The string concept, we can create a object two ways. One is using new keyword, another one is using double quotations. In string concept only you can create a object two ways. One is using new keyword and second one is using double quotations. Okay now, what is the difference between you can create a object using new keyword and you can create a object using double quotation? Means using new keyword you can create a object in multiple times. And the second one is using double quotations you can create a object only once. Using new keyword you can create a object in multiple times, and using double quotation you can create a object only once. Okay now, and next one is concatenation. 1 minute, just spelling mistake is concatenation.
I think it's CO.
C-O-N-T-A. Yeah,
Concatenation.
concatenation.
No N.
Yeah. Concatenation.
Catenation.
Yeah, correct. Here, what is a concatenation means? Here, like for example, like 1 plus 2, like 3. It is like a arithmetic addition operation. Yeah, concatenation. concatenation. Okay, now it is like a arithmetic addition operation. But here string concept like a don't call 12 1 and 1 and 2. It is like a concatenation operation. Okay now. And next we can perform concatenation operation. Concatenation operation every time we'll create a one new object. Every time we'll create a one new object. Okay now. Next I will create a dummy project like a string. Okay. String s1 is equal to new string. It is a one type of object creation. Next one is string s2 is equal to hi. S2. It is also one type of object creation. Okay now. You're using new keyword, you can create a object in multiple times. Using double quotations, you can create a object only once. You can create a object only once. And please check that right now S1 both are, if the both are objects, then compulsory need for dot class file. Where is the S2 dot S2 class name and S1 class name? Then simple S1 dot get to class, sorry, S1 dot java dot log dot string class, and also java dot long dot string. Means both are string classes, means, but the difference means using new keyword you can create an object in multiple times. You can create a, using double quotation you can create an object only once. Anybody any doubts? Chaudhary, GPS, Narshin, Ravin, Suresh, Yesh and Sumit.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay now. Sumit, any doubt?
No.
Any doubt?
Yeah.
Then after, no, that is a difference. Alphabetical, that is a difference. Then after I will discuss into that one.
Could you please show an example that that using quotation, I mean just one, using quotation or new, you can define, I mean, like you said, using quotation you cannot define more than one. So could you please show an example, or the new you can have multiple times?
What is the purpose of the new keyword, Narshin?
The object that you define, this one.
No, what is the purpose of the new keyword? At the starting of the class, I am discussing to new is a keyword. New is a keyword. Using new keyword every time it will create a one new object.
Yeah.
Okay now. Using double quotation object created only once. That's a different new keyword and a double quotation. One class you can create a n number of times using nothing but a new keyword. How to declare the one class contains n number of objects means in the respect of new keyword. Using double quotation, it will not possible to create a one class object multiple times. The end of the starting of the core Java, I am discussing that concept. Syntax of the object, class names references slash address is equal to new class name constructor semicolon. Here reference and address is equal to as your wish, and new is a keyword. Using new keyword every time it will be create a one new object. That is the reason the string class object it will be created multiple times, but using double quotation the object created only once.
So like you mean, actually I understood what you said, but I'm just wondering, like string S2, so if I write string S3, so then I can use double quotation and any word I can write, or I cannot write. Like if I give another command like string S3 equal to double quotation, for example, help.
String username is equal to Java. Right now, S1 contains username or not?
No.
Use S1. It is an object. It is a non-static variable or static variable?
Non-static.
Of which class?
Hello.
Of which class? Which class? It is a non-static variable. Of which class, Narshin? ST1 or not?
Yeah, ST1.
Yes. Then you can create a ST1. S2, S3 is equal to new ST1 constructor semicolon. What is the difference between this one, and this one?
The second one is we are defining it as an object. The first one, third one is a string, I think.
Okay. Right now, S4 contains two non-static variable or not?
Yeah.
But here again, I will create a one more object. ST1, S5 is equal to. What is the difference between S4 and S5?
I don't see any difference.
Okay. Here right now contain, when you are creating the object S4 contains username and X variable. Then after to perform this operation, S1 value it will be changed 20. Then it will be cancelled, updated here 20. Yes or no?
Yes.
Again, you can create this object ST4. Sorry, ST1. Right now, S5 contains what is the X value? 20 or 10?
I think 10.
Yes, 10. Means what is the purpose of the new keyword?
Because it's treating.
New memory allocation.
Mm-hmm.
New memory allocation. Here, this object and this object. Like you see here. It is a S4. X is equal to 10. Username. Then here after to perform this operation, 10 value it will be cancelled, update into a 20. Then again you can create a one more object. Object contains S5, X is equal to 10. Okay now. When you are creating the object, the memory allocation, it will be start initially. Then here, actually X value is equal to 20, here X value is equal to 10. Because when you are creating the new, using new keyword, it will be create one new object. Then you can create one new object, then it will be start a new memory allocation. Here also, using new keyword, you can create an object in multiple times. Then every time it will be create one new memory allocation. But there is no any memory allocation. The object created only once. Hello, Nashin?
Yeah.
Is it clear or not?
Yeah, it's clear. Actually, I wanted to see an example that double quotation is not working double times.
Double times?
Like if you use double quotation another time, it will not work. That's what I wanted to see.
No, that is a memory allocation is internal. It is a default package or not? This package is a default package or not?
It's default.
What is the default package of every Java program?
Java.lang.
Lang. Then how to represent the to create the object of java.lang? Then if the class name is string, then you can create a n number of times, no problem. Because it is a default class of every Java program. Darshan.
Yeah, I understood, but maybe.
If the class name is a string, then I will show it. But it will not possible to represent this string. For example, like a then as you wish. Oh, sorry. Don't declare string class. Already the string class is available. 1 minute. Next. Already the string class is available. C drive, program files, Java, JDK, SRC folder, Java dot, long dot, string. Already the string class is available. Already the string class is available. Then how to define again? It will not possible to create a new string class. Already that is the string class is a default class of every Java programming language. Then how to declare the string class? It will not possible. Okay now. Here to access these properties, like I am open these properties, it is a string class. It is a very large program. String class. Okay now. Then string.java, then I will show it. Okay, na hash code, character value, and object, string, this keyword, string. Okay, na already the string class is available. Using string class object, to access these properties, these properties into this class. Okay, na when you are creating the string class object, string s1 is equal to new string, then the total properties, what are the properties are available in this class? The total properties are available within the s1, within the s1. Okay, now S1 contains how many properties means like a system dot, sorry. Then here I will pass to data, system dot out dot S1 dot length method. The length is a which class method? String class. Return type is equal to int, and it is a method. Where is the length method means? The length method is already available. This class java dot string dot. See that here string class length is available. Length method. Yeah, it is a length method. Yeah, public int. What is the method name? Nachin.
Yeah, it's length.
And return type is equal to
Public int.
int. Return type is equal to int. Then like a s1 dot length. Okay, na. The length method is a which class method? String class. Okay, na. Here already that is the purpose of the new keyword means every time it will be created one new memory allocation. Then already I will show it. But using S2 dot length. Five and two. Here length method means 5 characters is available. Then here 2 characters is available. Okay, now see that new. Initialize the new create a string object so that represents the same sequence of characters as the arguments. In the other words, is newly created string is copy for argument string unless the explicitly copy for original is needed. Use of this constructor is unnecessary since string in the immutable objects. Okay. Then here I will specify it. It is not an object. It will not display anyone. There is no any representation. Okay, now it is a original object. It is a duplicate object. It is also one type of local variable. One type of local variables. Okay, now then how many times the variable is created? Same variable only one time is created. Okay, now that's the difference between new keyword and double quotations. Okay, now very important point. What is the difference between new keyword and double quotation means? Using new keyword, you can create a object in multiple times. Every time the memory allocation, it will be start initial parameters. But using double quotation, you can create a object only once. The memory allocation is assigned to with respect to double quotation object only once. Okay, now and already the S1 object contains hello. Already the S1 object contains hello. Then in case S1 dot S1 dot concat. Then I will pass to hello, hi sir. S1. Okay now. Already the object like it is a object. This object contains what is the object of address? S1. Then what is the value? Hello. Okay now. Already the object is created. The object is maintained hello data. Then you know what is the concat method means? To add the data to S1. Concat method means to add the data hi sir to S1. But already S1 object contains hello. Okay now. Then it will be inserted or not? Hi sir. Okay now. Then I will compile. What is the output? The hi sir is added to S1? No, because the why the string class objects are immutable objects. Why? The string class objects are immutable objects means once to assign string class once to assign once to assign to the data assign once to assign once to assign the data once to assign the data to string class object only once to assign data to string class object it will not possible to change the string class object memory size. Once to assign the data to string class object, it will not possible to change the string class object memory size. To assign to the data to assign the data to the string class object only once. Okay now. Already the S1 contains hello. Then again to add the data to string class object S1, it will not possible to store. Why means the string class objects are immutable objects. String class objects are immutable objects. Why the string class objects are immutable objects means, for example, like when we are creating the object, the memory is allocated start. Right now S1 contains hello. For example, like this object memory size, for example, like 1 GB. After to add the highs are the data, the object memory size, it will be increased to 1.2 GB. Then it will not possible to change. Only to assign the data to string class object only once. It will not possible to assign multiple times to string class object because string class objects are immutable objects. Or are constant objects. But don't call constant object. That is not a terminology of Java. If any technical person asks to what is the means recent I am faced to Canada one interview call, then they was asked to me what is the immutable in Java. What is the immutable? Means Canada interview. I'm attend to one interview call in Canada. Then what is the immutable in Java means? Single class objects are immutable objects. Why? Only to assign data to single class object only once. It will not possible to add the data to single class object, and it will not possible to delete the data from single class object. Only to assign data to single class object only once. It will not possible to delete the from single class object. Okay now, that is nothing like a single class object. Single class object. Any doubt in the why string is a immutable objects? This concept is understanding very important point. Yes.
Yeah, it's okay. Understood.
Okay. Suresh. Sumit.
Being a data type, primitive data type, or it's just an object?
What?
It is string a data type?
Yeah, it will not possible GPS. You cannot also delete. The delete operation is not working within the string class, because once to assign data to string class, then it will not possible to change the string class object memory size. Right now this object size is equal to 1 GB. The 1 GB it will not possible to reduce and increase. That is a fixed. What we are assigning the data S1 hello. The hello is a fixed of S1. Then it will not possible to change the insert and delete. If you can insert the data, the string class object memory size is increased like 1.2 for example like it. Then it will not possible to change because it is a immutable objects. Then we can delete the L variable. If in case to delete the L variable in the S1 object, then the memory size it will be reduced like a 0.9 GB. Then it will not possible. The string class objects only to assign data to string class object only once. Once the object is created, it will not possible to assign the data to string class object because it is a immutable objects. Sumit, tell me. Sumit.
Yes, so I understand if you create an object for a string class, it's only assigned whatever like data type or whatever like memory allocation is only done once.
Oh yes.
So we cannot we cannot add any variable to this object, but can we concatenate like two different objects in string class?
Like a string S2 is equal to 1 minute.
If we do string.
Hi sir. Then here to perform concatenation operation. To perform concatenation operation, every time it will be create a one new object like a string S3 is equal to S1 plus S2.
Okay.
Okay now, to perform concatenation operation, every time it will be created one new object. Already I am discussing that concept. Okay now, and also string S4 is equal to S1 plus Java. Sorry, I'm not printer. Okay now, every time to perform concatenation operation, it will be created one new object.
Okay.
Any doubt, Sumit? Is it clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay, Praveen, tell me no doubt.
So line number 9. So you don't use any operation like concat for string then, right? So
Yeah,
that's not a valid line number 9. So that's not a valid statement then, right?
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Means the concatenation operation is not perform existing object. To perform concatenation operation, then to perform the before to create a object. Yes, sir. See that S3. It is also concatenation method. To create a object S3 before I am performing up, then I will directly I will assign to concatenation operation to S3.
Okay.
Okay, now that is means Once to create an object, then it will not possible to change the memory size because it is a immutable object.
Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
that's it.
Yeah, it's clear.
Kushan? GPS? Okay. GPS? Doubt means it will not possible to delete the subject means it will not possible to delete. The delete operation is not working within the string class. GPS. Okay. Amit Chaudhary?
Yeah, so string is not a data type, it's an object, right?
Yeah, object. But you can create an object, then compulsory need for class name. Where is the class name is available? Java.lang.
Right.
Yes or no, Chaudhary?
Yes.
But don't define import java.lang.string. That is a default package of every Java program. Then directly to import the string class properties SRC folder into if any Java program.
Right.
Is it clear, Chaudhary?
Yes.
We can create an object, correct? But where is the string class is available, Chaudhary?
Java.lang.
Yes, sir. Then don't define import java.lang. Then it is a predefined package. It is a your predefined package of every Java program. Don't define java.lang. It is a default package of every Java program.
Okay.
Is it clear or not, Chaudhary?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Next one is it is a concatenation operation. Then it is a concat method, and it is a concatenation operation. Okay, now. Then I will define one more, like a SP3. Welcome to Java class. Welcome to Java class. Here, then I will perform length method, like a s1 dot length method. The length method is calculated to spaces also. Then length method is calculated to spaces, like a 21 means what is the length method means to count the characters within the s1 object. Using length method to calculate the string class object characters. How many characters are available within the s1 object? That is a length method. Okay, that is a character. Is equal to s1. Then output is equal to spaces, welcome. Then after spaces is also available. Then how to remove these spaces? First and last in a string. How to remove these spaces? First and last in a string means like using, see that output, right now see that output, spaces also it will be printed. Then using trim method, to remove these spaces, first and last in a string. Don't delete middle of the string. Only the string contain like first and last spaces. Only the first and last spaces will be deleted. Means no spaces, 21 characters. That is the trim method. Means using trim method to remove the spaces first and last in a string. First and last in a string. For example, string S2 contains happy string S3 is equal to S2 plus here then see that output, Happy New Year. Then here, like here also, then I will spaces number of, okay, Happy New Year. Then how to delete it? Like here also, spaces is available. Okay, Happy New Year. Then how to perform? Like to remove the spaces, remove method means that remove method is available. That remove method is working only this string. The remove method is not working within the S2. Okay, Happy New Year means then it will be remove the spaces. Then here I will remove. I will mention the spaces. Happy New Year. And if in case, then okay now. That remove method is available total object. Okay now. Then it will not perform within the string. Okay now. See that happy. Then it will be spaces is printed. Then don't define like that. Just here trim method is working this string, and here also trim method is working this object. Then spaces is removed. Okay now. There is nothing but a trim method. Means using trim method to remove the spaces first and last in a string. Okay now. And the next one. Next one. Then I will take one more example. ST4. Here I will create a one class like a ST3. Save. Class name is ST3. Okay now. Here then I will define string S1 is equal to Happy New Year. String S2 is equal to hello. Hi. Hi. Welcome to Java class. Okay now. S1 contains like a capital letters and S3 contains like a small letters. Okay now. Here system.out.println S1 dot to lowercase then S3 dot to I want to uppercase to uppercase and to lowercase. Save. Command prompt H CLS Java C ST3 dot Java. You can see that Happy New Year. Actually, Happy New Year is a capital letter. Then I will print it to small letter. Okay now. Here hello, hi, welcome to Java. It is actually small letter. Then right now I will print it to capital letter. Sir, in the real time is also if any Gmail like a Gmail, if we can define capital letter, then it will be treated as a small letter. If in case to define the small letter, a Gmail it will be treated as a small letter means like a, for example like a string Gmail is equal to argues of 0 like a Gmail. Okay now space compile then sorry then here hello hi Java @ gmail.com. With this mail, capital letters are available and small letters is also available. Then same value it will be printed. Okay now. But here to specify the to lower case, then automatically, if in case to specify the capital letters and small letter, the total data it will be printed into a small letter. If in case to specify the capital letter, then it will be take the small letters. In case to specify the capital letter, then it will be take a small letters. That is the reason real time every Gmail it will be take a automatically small letters. Means two lowercase method is available. Okay now. Next. Next one is equals and equals ignore case method. Equals and equals ignore case method. Right now, string username is equal to like a Java. Password is equal to small Java. Then here capital Java at the rate of gmail.com. Okay, no problem. Next after string C password means confirm password. Confirm password means like a Java. Okay now. Here then system.out.println
Hello, Ram.
everyone, that's a Vishal. Now there is an connection issues right with him, so he won't be able to continue for today. But that too is like we going to continue tomorrow by 7:30. Will it be okay for all of you? 7:30 EST time. Will it be comfortable?
Yes, I'm okay with that.